welcome to my new video. My name is Bob Cieslinski, and I make music content to help you to become a better musician. In this Rhythm Trainer series, there's going to be several examples for you to practice along with. In these videos, you can choose whatever note on your instrument you would like to play along with. Once you're done with the first example, you just move on in the video to the next example. I hope you enjoy this new series. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell. That way you'll know when my new videos are coming out. Hey everybody, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time. I hope you found this valuable content today and that it helped you to become a better rhythm player and a better musician. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and in the comments below, let me know how you enjoyed my video today. I'll see you in my next video.